Now to solve this, we shall assume 2 to the power x equals to 3 to the power y equals to 6 to the power z. And we shall assume this is equal to k. So now we have 2 to the power x equals to k. Now if we take the power 1 over x on both sides, we get 2 to the power 2 is equal to k to the power 1 over x. In a similar way, if we go for the second part, which is 3 to the power y is equal to k, and then we take the exponent 1 over y on both sides, we get 3 is equal to k to the power 1 over y. Now, then we go on for the third part, which is 6 to the power z equals to k. Equals to k. Then we take 1 over z on both sides as the exponent. So we get 6 is equal to k to the power 1 over z. But 6 can be written as 2 times 3 is equal to k to the power 1 over z. Now the value of 2 is k to the power 1 over x times k to the power 1 over y equals to k to the power 1 over z. Now we shall follow the rules of exponent. A to the power m times a to the power n becomes a to the power m plus n equals to k to the power 1 over z. Now, when the bases are same, the exponents must be equal. So we have 1 over x plus 1 over y equals to 1 over z. Now, if we take the LCM on the left hand side, we get y plus x over xy equals to 1 over z, and then we flip the fractions on both sides, we get xy over x plus y equals to z. That's your answer. Thank you for watching.